Hello, welcome to the Mark Janot Show, the cybersecurity show. Is it worth getting into cybersecurity in 2024? I'm going to answer that question. Without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. The answer to that question is yes. Starting a career in cybersecurity is still worth it in 2024 and beyond, despite the current challenges in the job market. So here are a few reasons to keep in your mind as to why that is the case. There's high job growth, right? Information security analyst jobs are projected to grow 35% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than the average for all occupations, right? The Bureau of Labor Statistics ranks information security as the 5th fastest growing occupation in the US over the next decade. Then you have strong salaries, right? The median annual salary for information security analysts was $102,000 in 2021, roughly, right? Over double the median annual wage for all occupations. Even entry-level cybersecurity roles can offer six-figure salaries. And then there's the resilience to economic downturns. Cybersecurity roles tend to be more insulated from layoffs compared to other tech jobs. Organizations still need to protect their data and systems even during recessions. And then there's diverse career paths, right? Cybersecurity offers many different specializations and career tracks to choose from, allowing you to find an area that matches your interests and skills. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Hit that subscribe button and the like button right now, please. Thank you. However, it's still important to note that the job market is shifting, right? With employers increasingly prioritizing practical experience over just certifications for entry-level roles. Building a home lab, completing projects, and gaining internship experience can help you stand out. Overall, while the job market has challenges, cybersecurity remains a promising career path with strong growth prospects and salaries. With the right preparation and mindset, you can still launch a successful cybersecurity career in 2024 and beyond. So there are some challenges, however, right? Some of the challenges in the field is lack of qualified candidates, right? There is a shortage of candidates with the necessary skills, education, and training to competently perform in entry cybersecurity roles. Employers are struggling to find qualified applicants. Then you have preference for experience, right? Many employers are now requiring 1 to 2 years of prior experience for entry cybersecurity positions rather than just certifications or degrees, right? This makes it difficult for new graduates to break into the field. And lastly, we have competition from military/government hires, right? Candidates with security clearances, often from military or governmental backgrounds, are prioritized for many entry-level cybersecurity roles, making it harder for other applicants to get hired. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe. See you in the next video.